Hello friends, I am your teacher Ankit from Aanav Creations presenting Digital Marketing Season 2. Our today's topic is Organic Search Explained. So don't forget to subscribe the channel and hit the like button of that video. Let's get started. Hello and welcome friends. As I told you, our today's topic is Organic Search Explained as you seen on the thumbnails. So, hi. Are you ready to dive into the world of organic search? In this video, we will explain what organic or paid results are. We will find out what search engine optimization means and discover how good website content affects the organic results for you. Okay, let's get started. Back to the yoga center and imagine that you have just started offering a special pranayam course to the students of yours. You know, there must be other people in your city who would want this lesson. Someone might be searching for it now. So how do you help them to find you? Well, when someone searches for something using a search engine, the results page they see contains a list of organic or unpaid results. Organic results typically appear in the center of the page and are results the search engine decides are the best match for the search query or words that were typed in the search query actually. Results pages will also display advertisement or page results through they will be separate and labeled as ads, means advertisements. Although organic results and ads appear on the same page, there's one big difference. There is no cost to appear in the organic results. Websites do not and cannot pay to appear here. So how can you improve your website chances of appearing in the unpaid results? It's all comes down to the quality of your website and the relevancy. Think of it this way. The search engine's primary goal is to help people find what they are looking for. If you can help the search engine decide that your website is what people are searching for, and you are in good shape. Making improvements to your website to help it appear in the organic results is called search engine optimization and also called the SEO. Good SEO involves helping a search engine find and understand your site in a very good manner. So what do you search engines like? Good relevant content. Think about exactly what yoga center's potential customers might be searching for. If they are looking for pranayam, they might search for those words. But that's a pretty broad search and could also mean a searcher looking for benefits of pranayam or an image or the history of this asana. Understanding that, it would probably be more useful for you to focus on appearing on searches for pranayam classes in your city. So, focus might be to create relevant original content that reinforces the how that the asanas are performed under the guidance of trained professionals and the why that pranayam is very important for your general well-being. This can help your website appear on searches for pranayam classes and related searches like the best center for pranayam in Chennai for pranayam in fitness. That's organic search results for you. Showing up in them is a great way to help customers find you, and it would not cost you a thing. All you have to do is make sure that your content is relevant to the people searching so they will click and stay for it. You have a whole lesson coming on this, so stay tuned. I hope you will get all your queries results over here, and don't forget to subscribe the channel and hit the like video. Thank you very much. Have a good day.